Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Cadillac SRX Luxury Collection all-wheel drive, stock number X182XX. 28,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black Raven in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating with blind spot monitoring, backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover as well as additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate, power driver's seat, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, oversized panoramic moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. We get only 28,000 miles. Forward collision alert. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. That steering wheel is heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen Q infotainment system. For radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. Dual zone automatic temperature control. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate and radio. Heated front seats. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the controls. Overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and sunshade control. Under the hood, this SRX has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information on this SRX, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.